Hello again, this is the third video of the series. I will show you how to use the Least Cost Path plugin. The input are a cost surface and one origin point and another destination point. If you are curious about the cost surface, please have a look at my previous video about the reclassify by table tool. Let's go to my QGIS project. In the previous video, I create a cost surface. This one, darker pixels are where the cost is low. It will be less tiresome for the hikers to travel through those patches. Now I want to use the plugin Least Cost Path to find a least cost line from the office to the site. I will maximize the graphical modeler window. I use this since my second video. Now I have reclassified by table and the cost surface. So I need another two input, which are the origin points and destination point. They are vector layer, so I will drag this vector layer input and drop it at the center panel. I will call it point of interest, office, and another layer for the site, point of interest, site. This is just a name of the parameter. Now the input are ready. I will need to find the algorithm. My algorithm is named as Least Cost Path. So I found it and now I drag and drop. The cost raster layer. I want the input from this algorithm. So I should change this option from value into algorithm output. I want the output from the reclassify by table. This is the output from the algorithm reclassify by table, which is the cost image. Since the cost image is a single band image, the cost raster band here is the first band. And the start point layer or the origin layer is the office. I want it to be the input parameter here, so I need to change the option here into model input and choose office. Same go to the endpoint or destination. I will use model input, which is point of interest, site. This option only connect with the nearest endpoint. This is for the case that you have many endpoints. But in my case, I have only one endpoint, so I will leave this as default. And this is the output. This is box for output, model output. I can type a name here. I will call my output parameter as least cost path. Click OK. I will get one output box here. If I want to save a permanent file, I need to double click and then press this three dots button, save to file. Then I want to call my output as least cost path. Office to site, and then I click save. It will be saved into shape file. I can choose another file, but I will choose shapefile and then click save. Click OK. Now my model is ready to run. So I will run my model, click run, choose the input, point of interest office, and the slope. We will recalculate the slope cost again. This one input should be just the slope. And the output should be in this directory with this name. This is correct. So I will execute this model. I click run. Look at the log file. Everything works as normal successfully. So I can close this and let's have a look at our result. This is the line, the least cost line. I will increase the size and show them. You can see that the path, they will go along the darker pixel so that the cost won't go too high for the hiker. So this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching.